here at the Red Bull BC1 UAE Cypher, about to do the preliminaries and the workshops and all that stuff and pick the top 16. Yeah.
But inspired by the movie called The Shower. Wait. And then he made the move, he took the move and he changed it to... What's the name?
Yo, c'est Lamine, je suis avec les jumeaux. Roxrite et Mounir et Mounir. Roxrite et Roxrite. Voilà.
Mika's idea.
Mika's awesome idea. We're kind of stuck in the desert right now.
Kings and queens up in this thing, get rid of all them jokers. Walk like a king, talk like a king, stomp. Walk like a king, welcome to my kingdom. This beat is madness, feel like they throwing rose petals at my feet from baskets. They used to blaze and call me eBay the African, now they call me royalty like B. Hansen and King Jaffe is. I'm in your hood with them greens and packages. Oh, that's Jungle Jim, Jungle CDs and plastic, nigga. The wrong words, I have you leaking plasma, so I try to keep it clean like referees for wrestlers. All day buff, bring the heat to amateurs. Now you falling off like the season after summer. On stage, I be wreaking havoc. Got the crowd screaming louder than the speakers blasting. This ain't a game, I don't need to practice. Been at this since every pair of jeans had patches. I'm about 100 degrees, who needs a bachelor's? And you don't need 2 more years to see I'm a master with this. I do my thing, son. I turn this underground life thing to my king. Say, walk like a king, talk like a king, stomp. Walk like a king, welcome to my kingdom. Walk like a king, talk like a king, stomp. Walk like a king, welcome to my kingdom.